To run a no profile installation on a server or standalone computer, click the Windows Start button and then type in run. Once the run command comes up, you are going to browse to the installation files that should have extracted to your local C drive on the computer. You would then go into the Sage BusinessWorks 2021 install files, or whatever your current version is. Then you would go into the Sage BusinessWorks folder. You would select the setup.exe. You would hit open. And then after the very last quote in the path, you're going to type in a space, / and then the word no profile, all one word. And then you're going to hit OK. What the no profile does is ignore the Windows user profile that the installation was previously installed under, and it forces the install to run under the current Windows user profile.